Looking for a condo located in a gated golf community and includes golf membership? This condo is ideal. Open floor plan is perfect for everyday living as well as entertaining. Ground floor unit with no stairs, row climb, or elevator to wait for. Interior is beautifully decorated with high-end newer furnishings throughout home. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout main living areas and guest bath with newer carpet in bedrooms. Kitchen has been updated with white shaker cabinets, granite countertops, glass subway tile backsplash, newer stainless steel appliances, undermount stainless steel sink, west/, newer fixture. Eat-in kitchen has large windows that look out to water and golf course. Updated trim at windows and doors. Spacious primary bedroom with large walk-in closet. Back lanai has gorgeous view of water, golf, and preserve. Condo has deeded covered carport parking and large storage room. Naples Heritage is a beautifully landscaped, gated, bundled golf community. Enjoy all that Naples Heritage has to offer: 18-hole golf course, putting green, driving range, renovated clubhouse west/pro shop, resort-style pool, tennis courts, pickleball courts, bocce, fitness center with trainers and instructors, poolside cabana and bar. Just minutes from downtown Fifth Avenue and beaches. More than a home, it's a lifestyle.